Hi guys, welcome back to CarTechs. I'm in the new Mark 8.5 Golf GTI. You already seen the walk around video of it. Well, there's a function which called emotion start nowadays. So you can start your car with some more revs. So if you normally start the car, it just does, well, let's say 1500 revs, something like that. To start the emotion start, you press and hold the start button without pressing the brake. You press the brake and it does 2,500 RPM. So a little bit cooler sound, etc. Well, sound is a thing nowadays, but the car does it with little pops and bangs, etc. So please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys. So the emotion start and start function, you use it by press and hold the start button and then press the brake. So not first pressing the brake and press the start button, but first press and hold it and then push the brake.